Yo tengo lo que tú quieras. Sabes que no soy cualquiera. Yo tengo lo que tú quieras. Sabes que no soy cualquiera. Andaba bien dolido, pero hoy yo estoy mejor. La neta te perdiste de un gran amor. La neta te perdiste de un gran amor.
Everybody's doing their own thing, and nobody's solving the problem, and nobody helping each other. Some people give in to fear, some people give in to hunger. Some of us live for the future, and some of us wonder. Give it to light, give it to love. Maybe there's enough for everyone. Give a little hope and a little trust. Maybe there's enough for everyone. But they're making a way. Everybody's getting frustrated. Why should we live with this hatred? We're all dancing on the thin line, but they're making out we're having a good time. So who's gonna give us the answer? Sister and brother, give it to light, give it to love. Maybe there's enough for everyone. People, hold on. Don't do yourself. We're all dancing on the thin line. We're all dancing on the thin line. We're all dancing on the thin line. Having a good time. We're all dancing on the thin line. We're all dancing on the
Hello, guys. How's it going? Good morning. Who called my music elevator music? That is some quality house music. I'm just messing. All right, hold on. I'm just getting some things fixed real quick. All right. I think everything's good to go. All right. All righty. How we doing this morning, guys? Did somebody just tip me $10? Brad Mason. Well, Brad Mason, I appreciate the $10. All right. I'm not gonna do anything for the first like 15 minutes in this. Um, there's an echo. I don't hear an echo, and I'm listening to it on my phone as well. Um, yeah. So something that's important, that I'm paying attention to is SPY needs to hold above 680. If we go below 680, we're going low. We're going lower. Apple, the blue and white line. Um, it's I drew those myself. Those aren't indicators. All right, let's see what's going on. Let me. All right. Did you guys see that we had the lowest volume yesterday since 2008? Spy had the lowest volume yesterday since 2008. That's crazy. Matt. No, I don't really. I don't trade QQQ. I mainly just trade Spy and SPX. Damn, look at that candle. That's nice. Hold on, I'm gonna. No, I haven't entered a trade yet. I don't normally enter a trade in the first 15 minutes. Right now I'm literally just scrolling Twitter and just kind of getting an idea with what's going on today. Twitter's a great source to look at things. Um, all right, hold on, let me see here. If we can break above, actually, hold on, me. I actually might end up getting in a position. RSI's, yeah, see, that's what I was looking for. If it can break above this, then I might get in a I might get in a position, but it has to break above this first, this green line right here. Um, I have not ordered breakfast yet, but breakfast will more than likely be McDonald's. What's the strike? I don't know yet. I don't know. Probably I don't know. It could change, but I mean it would be somewhere. It won't be any higher than 686. We need to see some. We need to see something. Damn. Jesus. Um. Yeah. Yeah. If we can get above 683, then I think so. I think that's a good position to enter into. Um. 3 minute time frame is what I'm in. What does a line signify above the first long candle? If you're talking about the green line, that's just the high. The I have it's called I have an orb algo, and pretty much it tells me within the first 15 minutes what was the highest high and the lowest low of the first 15 minutes. That usually is a pretty good extended hours on versus off. I mean, I don't know. Does it really do much for it? Does it really change much? I don't think it changes really anything, does it? I could try it out, but I've always used extended hours, and my entries have been pretty damn good, to be honest with you. Oh boy. I am hungry. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order an early breakfast. What the hell? Why is McDonald's not popping up? I'm gonna be upset. Alright, here we go. Don't laugh at me in the comments. I can't see them, but I know you guys are somebody saying LOL. I do not care. If there's one unhealthy thing I'll have about me, it can be my breakfast. I don't care. Ordered, placed. Oh, dude, I slept like absolute trash last night. Absolute trash. And I woke up this morning feeling it. No, I'm not in a trade yet. What up, Dennis? My new analyst coming up. Man, I don't have kids. I don't have kids yet. Um, but nah, man, I have a Adderall prescription, and because I have ADHD, and anyways, usually my prescription is like 20 milligrams, right? All right, hold on. I'm gonna keep talking, but puts are starting to look a little juicy here. Um, but anyways, I have a 20 milligram Adderall prescription, and anyways, my prescription was out, but I have a buddy who also has he's also prescribed it as well, and I asked him yesterday. I was like, "Yo, I'm out," and because Adderall is a it's like a class one. I think it's like a class one drug or something like that. Like it's pretty much it's taken pretty seriously. Um, they don't just hand them out. And anyways, I asked my buddy who lives pretty close to me. I was like, "Yo, man, can I borrow one of yours until I get my refill? It's supposed to be today, but the pharmacy hasn't gotten their shipment yet." So he's like, "Yeah, yeah, sure." He's like, "I take 30 milligrams." I was like, "Ah, it's fine. It's not gonna be much different from a 20 milligram." Boy, was I wrong. I was literally all day yesterday clenching my teeth all day. I had the worst headache yesterday. And then finally, at like 1, 2 a.m., I finally went to sleep. I had to take, I think, 6 milligrams of melatonin to actually pass out. Yeah, awful. Never taken 30 milligrams ever again. I like my 20s. Yeah, 30 milligrams are, yeah, the 20 milligrams are, was I productive? Hell yeah, I was productive. I was productive. And then my dentist is about to be productive because I think I shaved off a few inches off my teeth. Nah, but I'm gonna stick with the dude. These puts are looking pretty solid. And look, we've got, let's see, where we at right now? We're at 682. We'd have to go down to this 680, 679 level for a strong reversal. Um, no, but yeah, I was pretty productive. I did a lot of work on the Discord last night. I got a lot of things, got a lot of things, uh, done. So I'm hoping that'll be done here, soon. I'm hoping that'll be live by next week. That's my hope. Um, yeah. Why is my screen is like doing a weird thing? Hold on. Let me make sure nothing's loose back here. All right. Let's see what we're doing. Don't worry. I know we're gonna get in something, guys. I'm just being patient. I don't want to hop in anything um prematurely. Because I'm not. I mean, yes, we are still above the EMA 9 line, but um, I just don't want to hop in anything prematurely. Well, we're going below it now. Uh, okay, what I'm looking at on puts. Oh boy, I am looking at a 677 put right now, just to let you guys know. Um, um, actually, I might be looking at a 680 put, but hold on. Well, I'm not in the 680 put yet, guys. I'm not in anything. I'm just watching, but 680 put's not anything from 680 to 677 isn't looking bad. I'm still waiting. I may get in it now since we're under that EMA 9 line. Um, Let me see if we reject this EMA 9. If this candle rejects the EMA 9, then I'll probably hop in a put. See on the 5 minute, it's above it. On the 3 minute, it's below it. Again, on my extended hours, we're definitely below it. But Helen's got me looking at this now, which is okay. I actually might like this. Yeah, yeah, there is a delay. Not much I can really do about the delay. I can look into seeing if it'll maybe. if there's anything I can do to make it match sooner. But yeah, there's most likely going to be some sort of delay. On the 5 minute, we're still above that EMA line, EMA 9. On the 3 minute, though, all right, now we're going above it. Now we're switching over to calls. I'm looking at 685 call, by the way. There's just no volume right now. I mean, this is just crap. Ooh, right when I say that. See, the only thing is I'm not afraid to hop in a call, but we've rejected this 683 mark like four times in the past. Like, I mean, if we go back, we rejected right here. We got to here, and then look what happened. We rejected. We rejected all up here. I know the SMA is so different. That's what I'm saying. Um, but it kind of on the regular extended trading hours, you see that this is still crossing through. It hasn't fully formed above it yet. And on regular trading hours, it's more above it. So maybe could give me a better entry. I'm gonna go on Helen's. I'm gonna put this on Helen's tab today. We're gonna see if Helen can help me get a better entry. If she can't, then Helen has to reimburse me. I'm just messing with you, Helen. Obviously. All right, calls aren't looking bad. Um, oh, my speaker. Sorry, guys. I'm just listening to my playback on my phone while I'm in front of you, while I'm talking to you guys, and um, I'm just making sure that everything is going good. Um, the the price action right now is just not that fantastic. Um, it's good for scalping, but I just want to see some direction because I don't want to hop in a call. Um, um, I could just be away from my mic. I've kind of got my headphones sitting halfway on my head. Um, Hold on. I also gotta change something in my volume settings on my end. God dang it. Hold on. If we can close above that green line, that is going to be what I'm looking for. But what was I saying? Oh yeah. See, I don't. The thing is like I don't want to hop in a 685 call until we have formed a candle above this green line because what's the point if I buy a call right here and we go right here and reject? We've rejected this zone right up here. Like let me draw real quick. We've rejected this. Oh, that's a terrible thing. Oh my God. See, I was not good in art. We have rejected. Oh, that is awful, Austin. Let me just do this. Hold on. We have rejected this. We're gonna do a big ass arrow. We have rejected this area so many times. See, look, it's doing it again. So until we can form above this green line, I'm probably not getting calls because we have rejected this so many times. This area right here, we have rejected so many times. So there's no point in hopping in a call from. I mean, you could if you went from down here to up here, you could get a nice scalp. But other than that, it's just until we can close above that green line, I just don't. I don't see us moving up. How do I have patience? Losing has taught losing has taught me patience. When you get to a point where you lose enough money, you'll do anything to not lose money again. So therefore, you will learn patience. Um, so all right, it's probably going to be against my better judgment, but if this candle closes on top of this green line, I'm probably going to hop in a call. My only worry is, but I can't worry about everything, is if it closes above this green line, I fear it's going to go up and then come right back down to that green line, but that's not my job to worry about. It's the market's job not to piss me off. So, whew. All right. Right now I'm looking at 686. No, I'm looking at 685. I want you guys to know if it closes above this line, I'm executing a 685 call, just so you know. And I'm gonna hit go on this at 10 seconds. No, not 10 seconds. I haven't hit go yet. I'm hitting go right now. I'm in my call. I'm in the call. I got in at 44 average. Probably against my better judgment, but we'll see. All right, I gotta turn on some better music. My average was 44 cents. You probably get a better average than me right now. Um, yeah, you'll get a better average than me. I swear, if this thing closes below that green line, like I literally said, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, I'm in calls. Oh, you son of a bitch! Get your ass back up there. Get your ass back up there. Well, I wouldn't hop in them just yet, guys. If you're already in them, then stay in them. But if you haven't bought yet, don't get in yet. Because I told y'all this is what I was afraid of. But it could still close above. We just need it to it needs to close above this line. Hold on, Helen. I'm sorry. I need to go back to this real quick. Um. All right. It's looking like it may close above it. We still got 30 seconds left on the candle. Um. I think you're safe to hop in calls right now. But if you look on the 5 minute chart, this candle is actually now just closing above it. So I would wait on the 5 minute chart possibly. But you make it hop in right now and get a $43 a contract entry. You get a little bit better than me. Yep. 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 Let's look at the VWAP. We're above VWAP. That's good. I think we're okay for right now. Um, this 683.13, which I think I drew this yesterday, maybe, or no, I drew this a couple actually last week. That's going to be hopefully our support. Oh, I lied. This thing wants. I may have botched this one, guys. This thing it wants to go up, but it's like matched power. Like it wants to go up, but these sellers or the bears just want it to go down, but it wants to go up. There's so much pressure right here in this zone, right here. 683.28. Don't do that. Come on, bulls. Push it up. Come on, don't break. Ah, crap. Come on, Bulls! God, Spy is pissing me off this morning. Wow. Damn. This is why I should have waited. Sorry. Um I'm not gonna DCA just yet. I'm gonna watch it. We gotta break above that 683 though, and that thing is that's such a wall right now. I'm not gonna DCA. I'm not gonna DCA or anything right now. Woo, boy. 5 minute chart looks way better. Oh, also I forgot to mention I'm expecting somebody to call me, guys, around 9. It's already 9:15. That person has not called me yet, but if I randomly mute, just know that somebody's calling me. But they haven't called me yet, so I'm just gonna wait. All right, we're looking a bit better now. All right, if we can close above this time, I think we have a good chance of going up. Maybe it just need to go down a little bit, test it. But the Bulls are pretty strong. Bears are strong too, though. But I don't know who's stronger. Obviously, we've got some good Bull strength here. Not much here, but overall, the Bulls have been pretty freaking strong. I mean, for these past candles down here. So we need to break this, though. We need to break this zone. This zone has just been tough. It wants to so bad. It wants to shoot up so much right now. Come on. A volume indicator. It is called buy/sell volume totals for period. It's actually my favorite one. I found it from Adit. He's in our group. He sent me and Jerry a screenshot of his chart. I think like last week, and Jerry picked up on the indicator, and then I looked at it. I was like, damn, I like that. So I've been using it. All right, here we go. Come on, we need to get above that zone. If we can't get above this zone, it's not gonna be a good day overall. We gotta. This is our chance to get above it and go on a run. We need to get on it. I'm gonna add two contracts here, just to DCA a bit. Where's my damn McDonald's at? It's on the way. What's the price it should close above? I just wanted to get up here to this line. I just wanted to get up here. We haven't even gone this high before. I wanted to go up there. Like, last time we went up there was, I don't know. This damn candle, bro. Pick a side. Pretty much. Emotional support breakfast, pretty much. This price action sucks. Dude, I tell you what it is. AMD's down, and I think Nvidia's down right now. They need to get their shit together. Yeah, I think SoFi's a good one to hop into. If SoFi went in the S&P 500, that'd be pretty big. That'd be huge. Oh my god, dude, what is this? What is this crappy candle? Pick a side. Oh boy. Oh boy. I mean, Mel, if it tells you anything, I'm negative 28, so I wish I was negative 7 right now. Tell you what scares me though, that's a double top. That was a double top on the 1 minute, but it looks like we're coming up out of it now, hopefully. We're still above the SMA 50 on the one. Double top, double top, singular top. Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell y'all when I get out. I could have had a little bit of a better entry, but I think it still has. I think it still has chance to go up. All right, here we go. Oh, God, dude, keeps rejecting that area. I know, right? It looks way better on the 5 minute chart. Come on, make a decision here. It needs to pump here. Here we go. Come on, baby. Show me something. Oh my God, dude. This is like a death of 1,000 cuts. Oh, all good. I feel you. I understand. God, dude, this price action is crap. shit. What's the weather like in Texas? It's like 42 degrees right now. It's cold. Yeah, I think so. I think I'm banned permanently, unfortunately. Holy crap, that is horrible. Guys, exit whenever you want. Exit whenever you want. This was a bad entry on my part. My bad. Holy crap. Wow. What a dump. Um, yeah, I'm still holding, but I made DCA at this point. That might be my only saving. That may be the only thing that saves this for me right now. I would highly recommend that you guys get out. Sorry about that, guys. That was a bad entry. That was a bad entry on my part. I apologize for that. Damn. No way it keeps going down. Oh my god. Wow. Yep, got to learn to lose too. All right. I'm loading up on more calls. I'm DCAing this shit. I don't care. Will it go down more? I'll wait and see what it does. I'm not liking this crap price action. My average, well, my average when I bought was 0.45, but now I'm at 0.18. Yeah, Nvidia's. That's low key why I hate Nvidia with how much control it fucking has in the market. Like I get it's a huge company, but fuck, I hate how much control that one stock has. might as well buy some damn puts now at this point. Just have two things going, puts and calls. Because SPY is just being I can't say that. SPY is just being stupid. I haven't bought any yet, but I might as well at this point. Yeah, I'm looking at puts now. Just gonna buy some just in case, because this thing is just tanking. Good lord. I'm gonna buy some puts just in case. Can't hurt. Sorry for that crap price action, guys. I apologize. My puts are 675 puts, by the way. I'm gonna DCA my calls as well. Might as well. Well, I like the call enough because I'm already deep into it. But I'm not buying another. I'm not buying any more calls right now. I'm just watching these puts. I'm seeing if it's gonna go lower or not. Okay, look, guys, the person who is supposed to call me just said they'll call me in about 10 minutes. So, now it wants to pump. All right, I'm gonna hop in calls. I mean, I'm gonna DCA my calls. Screw it. Unless it's gonna, unless it's gonna stair step down. It might stair step down. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's going to stair step down. Yeah, I'm already in puts. I'm in a 675 put. Average 0.15. All right, I'm going to DCA my calls. Screw it. I got to bring down my average cost. Yep. I'm honestly looking to see if we can fucking break even at this point. This is probably going to be my only trade for the day. Unless we can go on a run. Give me a sec, guys. My McDonald's is here. It's the only thing that's going to keep me going through the day. I DCA'd, and I've cut down on what I was losing. So, um, yep. This will be my own. This will be look, guys. This will be my only trade for the day. I can already tell that I'm wanting to revenge. I haven't lost because I haven't sold yet. I haven't lost any money, but I just I need to be mindful of that. I don't want a revenge trade. So, but calls are looking good right now. Good thing I DCA'd. Um, so my current loss is down to 12%, which is good. 9%. Just so you guys are aware, and this isn't me teaching this. Is I held those calls. I should have sold them at my mental stop loss, but I ignored it because of hope and greed. It went down to 60% negative. And when I got down there to 60% negative and I saw these on the 3-minute chart, see this middle wick, this middle candle right here, and it's got this long bottom wick, that tells me that the bears are weak. The bulls are defending this 680 zone. They don't want to go below it because if we go below that 680 zone, it's red from there. So that's how I knew to DCA. And that's how I went from negative 60 to now negative 15. So let's see if we can maybe break even or maybe make a little bit of money. I'm only down 12%. Yeah. Well, I appreciate that, guys. I make it a priority to try and get them um try to get it all I try to get it as perfect as possible for you guys, but sometimes I just cannot. I'm gonna tell this lady to kindly let me call her because I don't want to hop on a phone call right now. I want to be with you guys. Um, should you re-enter? Well, hey, LSTQ. I don't know how to say your name, but LSTQ. Whoever said they couldn't DCA, I would keep your eye on this. Keep your eye on this zone up here, 683, because that's where it previously rejected and we went straight down. So I would keep your eye on this. You may have to take a small loss. I'm just telling you. I don't know, but I'm just. You should re-enter calls now. I would hold off on re-entering calls right now. I really would. You should have, if you were gonna get in calls, you should have gotten them down here at the bottom. And I didn't call it out because I was already in my calls, but I would just wait. I would wait until we see a breakthrough past this. Past this, we have yet to have a breakthrough past this 683.13 line. If we can get a breakthrough past that, if we can get a candle, a nice candle, a nice thick candle to close above this, then yes, I think you can re-enter calls. But I think right now, wait. I need to listen to some angry music. I'm gonna mute my mic while I eat. Yeah, I'm only down 9% now on my calls, but if we break above 683, which is right there, there's no point in selling for break even because we're gonna go higher. But so this bitch ass candle. Sorry for the cursing, but this bitch ass candle needs to get its ass up there. Let's go! Come on! All right, I'm in the green. Well, we're about to find out, aren't we? What kind of music do you guys like to listen to? Like, what's your favorite genre or favorite band? House, yeah, I like me some house music. I like, oh, come on, baby. EDM, yep. Love me some EDM. Love me some house. Hip hop, old. Dude, I love everything. Like, I love everything from house, EDM, classical rock like Led Zeppelin, the Rolling Stones. Um, and then I love me some like punk rock, like the Deftones, Linkin Park, Nirvana. I love rap. But right now I'm listening to like heavy metal. I'm listening to Crowbar. Nine Inch Heels. There we go. Yeah, I'm listening to some Crowbar right now. Oh, okay. Here we go. Come on, Candle. Show me the money. Show me the money. Come on. Next resistant line is 68413. Good job. Good job, 98. Yeah, I don't recommend people doing what I did. You should have a stop loss, but I was just committed to the play. Obviously, it did, but obviously I predicted what it could have done, and it did exactly that. It went up above right here, and then what happened? Boom. So maybe wait for confirmation on the second candle. Um, Down here obviously would have been a better entry. Obviously, you'd be if you bought down here, calls down here, you'd probably be up 80% by now, maybe even more. Shit, you'd probably be up 100%. Sorry for taking you guys on that long detour of a ride. I really wish it could have just been a lot easier than that. I wish I had a better entry. My entry was just crap. All right, we got to see if this line holds support. Obviously, we hit this as a resistance to 683.52. Um, 683 683 13 is the next line, is our support. We need that to hold. I'm still in the green right now, barely. I'm up like fucking 2% right now. It should continue to go up. I can't imagine it's I could be wrong, but I can't. It's not really. It's not crazily overbought. I mean, it's close to extremely overbought, but it's not completely. Um, we're above the VWAP. We're not really even close to the Bollinger Band line. I mean, it could just be taking a breather right now, but I don't see why it wouldn't keep going up. Yeah, zero DTE. It's probably gonna. I bet it's gonna settle right here. Next candle will be right here, maybe, and then it goes up and does a U. It could chop a little bit between these two lines for a second, and then up. But I'm not a meteorologist, so who knows? But if you want me to try and give you an idea of what it'll do, I bet it'll go there, and then I bet it goes this, and then it could from here either do this one more time and then go up, or it could from this one just continue to go up. Let's see. Or it could just go up right there. Is my microphone far away? I didn't think it was that far away. I'm pretty. I'm listening back to myself on my phone, and it sounds pretty loud. Okay, my bad. All right, let me eat the rest of my McDonald's. I'm gonna mute myself. Damn! Come on now. Yeah, Jaina. Sorry for putting you in that situation. That's my fault, Jaina. I shouldn't have. It was a bad entry by me. And I put you guys I put you guys at risk. So I apologize for that. I'll try to be better next time. It's echoing. Hold on. I need to turn my volume down on my phone. Hey, also something I want to tell you guys. Look, obviously, um I'm not gonna tell you if okay. So if we're in a position where we're in a dangerous zone where we are down, I'm not gonna tell you guys whether you should DCA or not. I will tell you if I'm going to DCA, but just because I do it doesn't necessarily mean you guys should do it. Obviously, this time it worked out for me, but I don't. I want you to use your own judgment because if you just think of it, remember this. Yes, when you DCA, you are lowering your average cost, so therefore you are lowering your percentage, but you are also putting a lot more capital at risk. Okay? Because if you're gonna DCA, oh God. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm just watching this big ass red candle because this may be a point of my exit. Hold on, I will resume what I was saying when this candle stops freaking out. Just give me 1 second. Damn, that rejection off of that 683.52 was aggressive. Hold on, guys. Let me watch this candle first real quick, and then I'll get back to what I was saying. All right, it looks like the Bulls are back in control. Anyways, what I was saying is when you DCA, yes, you are lowering your average cost per contract, but you're also putting a lot more capital at risk. And so I want you guys before, and if you're going to DCA properly, let's say if you have 10 contracts, just adding one contract really isn't going to change your average cost, right? You most likely have to either buy half of what you already have. So let's say if you have 10 contracts, you're going to have to buy five contracts to really make a dent or match what you bought. So if you have 10 contracts, buy 10 more contracts to match where you're at. So that's just something you've got to put in perspective. When you're DCAing, you've got to you're going to have to either go half of what you already have or match it, because adding one, two, three contracts and you already have 10 or 20, that's not going to make a difference whatsoever. But I'm never going to tell you guys, hey guys, you should DCA. You'll never hear me say that. You will never hear me say that. I will tell you, hey guys, I'm DCAing, or I'm probably going to DCA. I'll say that, but I'm never going to tell you guys you should DCA, because not only would I feel horrible if I put you guys in a losing position, but if I doubled you guys down in a losing position, that's how I would feel horrible about that. But yes, DCAing, if used properly, is a great strategy. If used properly. But you shouldn't be doing it that often. Because if you're DCAing, that means you're down pretty heavily. All right, I'm gonna continue eating. Um, should we wait a little longer? I mean, yeah, you can. If you want to trim some, you're more than you can trim some. I'm just chilling. I'm up 32% right now. Crazy how it swings. I went down from being negative 60% to now up 32%. It's crazy how that works, you know. Um, but yeah, I am I'm still in this. That's fucking nuts though. Wow. What did I do with the puts? I didn't buy out. The puts were cheap when I bought them. I'm just letting them chill. They're just hanging around. I don't care if those go to zero. Like when I say like I only bought like I think $150 worth of puts. I'm gonna let them chill all day. I'll check back on them later. Maybe the market does some crazy shit and it goes back down. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna let those puts chill. I'm not worried about those. But this candle needs to decide what it's gonna do. I'm not liking what it's doing right now, though. I'll tell you that much. Well, hold on a second. Let's just see what it does. Oh, oh wow. What the fuck? Well, that's fucking rude. Oh, guys, if you hey, sell if you want to. I'm not telling you guys to hold any longer. I'm not telling you guys to hold any longer. All right, this is purely up to you guys. I cannot be held responsible. If we got up there to the top up there and nobody sold, I can't be held responsible. Um, if you want to sell, go ahead and sell. Seriously, like seriously. Yeah, I wanted to see if it'll pass that zone too. Took too damn long, but it's not over yet. So hold on. There's a bearish divergence right now, and that's what's playing out right now. Don't worry. We're only we're pretty much break even right now, guys. Roller coaster is the name. Mm, don't want that shit. God, these candles are so fucking rude. I don't. I mean, Amazon just dropped some solid news about a new AI tool, so I would think that would help. Amazon just upgraded its brain with Nvidia tech. That's another news thing I just got. Like you would think that would like pump. Good lord. Oh man. I just now noticed something. Of course, Nvidia's dropping. Why wouldn't it? I fucking hate that stock. I genuinely fucking hate Nvidia. Good lord. Holy crap. Well, if you want to DCA some calls, you can go for it. If you're still in this thing. My puts are paying off now. All right, guys. If you want to fucking buy some calls, now's the time to do it. If you want a DCA, now's the time to do it. Yeah, I sold a couple of mine at the top. I still have a couple calls left. I'm just gonna let them ride. But yeah, hey, if you guys want a DCA or buy calls, now's the time. Well, looks like we're gonna fucking find out, Will. We're extremely overbought. I mean, oversold. Like we're 21. We need to. We should be going up at any time. We're extremely overbought. I mean, oversold. We're 21. We should be going up at any time. Good lord. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. You look at RSI. RSI tells you if you're past 30, that means you're oversold. If you're past 70, that means you're overbought. See this little purple thing down here? This thing right here? See right here, we're past the purple area. We're looking at 20.31, where that means we're extremely, I mean, we're about to hit 19. That means we're extremely oversold. That usually means that it's about to reverse up. I mean, look what happened when it got up here. Got to 73, went down. It's getting down here to 20. We're gonna go up. Yeah, at least I think we will. Good Jesus Christ. If we break below 680, then we're done. Good Lord. God, dude, that was such a bad fucking call on my part. Fuck. Uh, 2 p.m. Eastern time, so I think fucking 12 o'clock. Jesus. Puts paid. Let's Market's gonna sweep here, I think. Good lord. Ooh. That's a good candle. Sorry, guys. Very sorry, guys. I'm very sorry for that trash entry. I had such good entries yesterday, and I thought the one I was in today was a good one as well, but it was just trash, and I apologize. Yeah, you could get 685 calls for fucking cheap right now. Like, very fucking cheap. Damn. RSI is at 11.5 right now. RSI is at 11.5 Would it make it do something? I don't know. 1,000 contracts at 5 cents. I mean, go for it if you want. I'm not adding any more contracts right now. I am chilling like a villain over here. RSI is so fucking oversold right now. It's not even funny. There you go. 116% on puts. There you go. God, whoever's in puts, you got fucking paid. Let me tell you. Damn, you got fucking paid. Yeah, it's oversold. It's 11. It's extremely fucking oversold. It's extremely fucking oversold. Like, look at all of this red in the RSI. That is fucking brutal. Oh, like I said this morning, guys, and I should have held true to it. Puts were going to be the play, and yet I wanted to be a bull. Like I said this morning, guys, and I should have held true to it. Puts were going to be the play, and yet I wanted to be a bull. I mean, it's about to close above. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm stupid. Never mind. Knock your bitch out, dog. It's about to close above. I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm stupid. Damn, look at that candle. Man, if that candle can close up, we could be at the point of starting a reversal. Jesus Christ. Come on, guys. If that candle can close up, Jesus Christ. Come on, guys. What will Trump announce? I have no idea. Couldn't tell you. Nothing that'll help me. Yeah, we got it. Well, I got in some puts earlier, and I think 98 got in some puts as well. Um, yeah, guys, if you're still holding these, um, never mind. Dude, I genuinely, I'm gonna be straight up. I genuinely hate Nvidia. I hate it. I do not like Nvidia. Like, obviously, Nvidia is great for what they produce and all that stuff, but I just hate how big they are. I hate how much control they have over SPY. I hate it. Like, there's no point. I just fucking hate it. It gives no other companies a chance. Like, here's the thing. Like, it takes three companies to match the power of Nvidia, right? So if Nvidia's down, that means like Apple, Meta, and Google all have to be up for like SPY not to do anything, right? It's nuts. '98, did it break it going up or down? Up. Huh, we can just watch Nvidia. We don't need to watch anything else. We don't even need to watch SPY. Let's just watch Nvidia. See what Nvidia does. Just gonna watch Nvidia. Might as well. It's the only thing that matters. It's all we need to watch. We don't even need to watch SPY anymore. Fuck this stock. All right. I'm gonna put my mic down. I'm gonna let this play out. I'm gonna go fucking change clothes. So I'm just gonna be right. I'll be here, but I'm just gonna go change clothes. All right, guys, I'm back. I see that I'm still losing money, and I'm about to lose some more because I just got under contract with a house. So, house for $460,000. Yeah, $460,000 cash. It's a shitter of a house. I'm gonna fix it up and flip it, sell it for 900,000. What do you mean? What the fuck? What are you what the fucking about, JB Haroth? Uh, no, that's my main business. That's my bread and butter. That's my main business. Um, yeah, I flip houses. I've been flipping houses for 6 years. That was the lady I was telling you about. She's a real estate agent as well. So am I. But I don't. I'm not a real estate agent because I list houses for people. I do it so I can. If I have the opportunity to deal with just the homeowner, I can negotiate with them legally and like produce contracts and stuff of that nature. But that was another agent, and yep. Fuck no. Fuck, I know, man. Fucking Southern California. Fucking Christ, it's expensive. I live in Austin, Texas, so it's still expensive, but compared to California, it's nowhere near the same. Yeah, Trump is. I I'd rather there not be a Trump speech. Trump has killed me. Tell you what I'm hoping for though. That's what I'm hoping for. So we're going up right here. What's the damn line I want? No, get that shit out of here. Where's the damn line that I want? Whatever. Well, it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. Hoping this is a bullish flag. I mean, hey, if they announce what's his face? Who's the guy that has been Trump's right hand man? He's been with like dealing with like helping with economic shit. What's his name? Haskett or something like that. If Trump announced Haskett or whatever his fucking name is, I think that actually could pump the market. I could be wrong, but like I think a lot of people like him. Is that who it is? Can you guys confirm? Besant, that's right, Besant. I think if Trump announced Besant as the new Fed chair, I think that actually could pump the market. No shit. I just need this motherfucker to get for my runners to get to 682 so I can break even. I'm just gonna sell these fucking things. Has it? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Let me see. I need to look up a picture. Hold on. No, 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 no. That's not who I'm talking about. Besant. Yeah, Scott Besant. Scott Besant. I mean, Hassett too, but I think Besant, dude, Besant's a cool guy. I think if he got, if either one of those got announced, I think it would pump the market potentially. To be honest with you. All right, there's a nice little pump. Just need to get to 682 and I can break even on my runners. I just need to get to 682. No, 683 now. Fuck. Time decay is kicked in. Come on, we need to go on a run. We need to get above that EMA line. Where's the VWAP? We're banging against this VWAP line. We need to get in there. RSI's at 47. It's nothing crazy. What's my... Good lord. Pick a side. Yeah. Dude, Trump is fucking up my motion. Trump said reduce the rates, and now the fucking market's taking a mini dump. Yeah, I'll share it. I'll share it later. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I will say RS I mean EMA EMA 9 and the SMA 50 are close to crossing. If these two lines can cross, if this purple can go above it, then we'll go bull. That's the only thing that has to happen. There we go. There's a cross. All right, we need to go on a run. We need to go on a little run here. Let's make some money back. Yeah, I've still got some runners in. I've still got some runners in. I'm gonna continue to get dressed. I do have to go look at a house in a little bit, so I am gonna have to end soon. It's not gonna happen right now, but I've been live with you guys for about almost 3 hours on a school day. Ah, fuck school. Ugh. Dude, I really need to hire like a person to come put my clothes away. I hate doing laundry with all of my might. I fucking hate laundry. Clothes away. I hate doing laundry with all of my might. I fucking hate laundry. We need to get above that red line, which is about 681.5. This is a normal little drawback. RSI got a little, we're starting to get a little oversold or overbought. We got close to that Bollinger Band as well. We're going above we just got it. We're in the VWAP though. We're in the bottom portion. We got to get up here though. Dude, telling me Trump is a fucking he has been nothing but a curse. Like I mean, I don't want to get too political, but for the markets, he's just been nothing but a curse this year for the markets. Yep, no problem. Everybody should be in runners by now. If you're or they should have bought calls at the bottom. But if you're still in calls from the top and you haven't sold, you didn't sell up there at the top up there. Um, you're gonna take a loss, a little loss. I mean, I don't know. I mean, the thing is, time decay is just working right now, and it really kicks in once we get to noon. So between now and noon, it's gonna have to do some crazy shit to get to 683 or 684. And yeah, so you might have to take a small loss, but who knows? Market does crazy shit. It tends to want to go down more aggressively than it wants to go up, and that's annoys me. Per Trump, we are going to give refunds out of the tariffs. Can he just stop? Like, can he just fucking stop talking? Like, I just wish Trump would just stop fucking talking. Stop tweeting. Take his phone away. Just stop fucking talking, bro. Like, God, you think you're fucking saving people money, but you've, like, solely you, because of your stupid ass fucking tweets, you've lost people trillions upon trillions of dollars. I don't know how that's making people money, but it's just ridiculous, dude. Might be a good idea. All right, guys. I'm about to fucking log off. I gotta go. I gotta go walk a house. I'm not gonna sit here and watch paint dry. It's either gonna go up or it's gonna go fucking down. Like it doesn't matter. We're right here stuck in this middle shit. But I gotta go do some shit. I gotta go look at a house. So I'm watching the 3 minute time frame. Um, but yeah, guys, I gotta go. I can't just sit here and just watch this stupid shit. But yeah, don't forget we're having a don't forget guys, we're doing a live stream later tonight. Probably in um let's just say um 7 hours from now. 7 hours from now, we're gonna do a live stream, and we're gonna go over some questions that Jerry sent me. They're good. It's gonna be good info for you guys. What should you do? Just talk, just project stuff. Just look, if you want to sell right now, I don't know how much of a loss you're at, or if you're break even, sell maybe. But if you're, I mean, look, I'm letting my runners run. There's no point in selling them right now. My runners right now are at a fucking 50% loss. There's no point in selling them. I don't have that many runners. I think I have 10. So I'm literally just gonna let them run. And if they go up, they go up. If they don't, they don't. I'm sizing for zero. But like I mentioned, um, a lot of you should have sold up here at the top, right? You should have sold up here at the top and sold and left some runners, or just sold completely. If you left some runners and you went all the way down here to fucking hell, then if you didn't DCA, then you might as well just hold them. You might as well just hold them. Um, so, but don't worry, I can still chat. I'll still be in the Instagram chat. Um, Somebody ping the shit out of me if SPY does some crazy shit like going up. Don't ping me if it's going down. I don't care if it's going down. But if it goes crazy up, somebody ping me. Ping the hell out of me. Um, but yeah, live stream later tonight in 7 hours. That's gonna be 6 p.m. Central Time for me, America. So, yep, we're gonna go over some stuff. So, yep, I'll holler at you guys later. I'll still be available via the chat. I'll still be able to talk to you guys, but yeah, I gotta go do some other stuff. I gotta go look at the house and stuff like that. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.